Hello everyone, in this video we will try to learn how to enter data into SPSS. Suppose we have this survey questionnaire in which researcher has collected data about the effectiveness or ineffectiveness of workplace environment. He or she has also collected data about respondents' gender, age, experience, qualification, and there are 5 items about workplace environment, and respondents were requested to rate their perception about these items according to this scale: 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, 4 for agree, and 5 for strongly agree. Using this survey questionnaire, the researcher has collected data from respondents. We have first response from respondent number 1, and then we have another response from respondent number 2. So using these two filled out survey questionnaires, we will enter data into SPSS. So let's go into SPSS file. This is SPSS file. We have two view, data view and variable view. In variable view, we have to add all the details of variables according to this survey questionnaire into this section of SPSS file, variable view section. So here we will write the name of the variable, since this column belongs to name, the name of the variable, preferably the first variable in your survey questionnaire. The first variable is gender, second one is age, and the third one is experience, qualification, and then so on. Let's start from gender. Name is gender. No need to change or no need to do anything with these 3 columns. Label this cell, this column is also optional. If you want to write, you can write gender of the respondents or participants. Under this column, click here. There will be another box, so click on this plus sign, add value 1. Why 1? Because in gender, 1 for male and 2 for female according to our questionnaire. So 1 for male, 2 for female, and then click on the OK button. So again, no need to do anything with these 3 columns. This column is actually belong to missing values. If you have missing values in your data, you can provide instruction to SPSS and SPSS will do accordingly. So in measurement type, this variable is gender is actually nominal variable. I have another video which explain types of measurement scales, and I'll provide link of the video into the description. If you want to see, you can watch that video. The details of first variable has been entered successfully. The second one is age. Right here the name of age, it's already numeric, no need to do anything. Label, if you want to add, you can write age of the respondents or participants. Okay, so here again we have values column. Here we have 2 options. If you want to make classes, make different age groups, and you want to develop or make classes of the age, you can do like in this way. Like the first age group is suppose less than 25 years old. The first age group is less than 25 years old. The second one is 26 to 35. Suppose third one is 36 to 45. Fourth one is 46 to 55, and fifth one is 56, or we can say like greater than 55 years old, and then okay. But in this case the age was asked from respondents to report their age directly. We didn't provide any classes here because we don't want to make groups of the age of the respondents, and similar to age we also did same with the experience. Okay, I'm going to delete it because I don't want to measure like this. I want to add, I want to enter the age the way age was reported by the respondents. So if you want to delete, just select and click on this cross sign. One by one you can eat. Okay, click on the OK button. No need to do anything. This is also nominal scale. And then we have third variable is experience, fourth one is qualification. Right here the name of experience. I'm going to leave this cell this time, and experience I also want, similar to age, I also want to add experience as it is as reported by the respondents. So this is also nominal scale. Qualification. Now let's see, qualification was measured with different groups like matric, intermediate, undergrad, master and postgraduate. So what we have to do is we have to make groups here. First one is matric, second one is intermediate, third one is undergrad, fourth one is graduate, and fifth one is postgraduate. Click on the OK button. You can see matric, intermediate, undergrad, master and postgraduate. So now we have entered the details of demographic variables into the SPSS, variable view of SPSS. Now let's enter the details of the 5 items of workplace environment. Let's take W from workplace and E for environment. So we can say WE1, WE2, WE3, WE4 and WE5. So WE1, WE2, first write the names of the variables. 3, WE4 and WE5. Okay, so now these 5 items were measured on 5-point Likert scale, 1 for strongly disagree and 5 for strongly agree. So we have to add values, we have to enter values accordingly. 1 for strongly disagree, 2 for disagree, 3 for neutral, 4 for agree, and 5 for strongly agree. Click on the OK button. Now what we can do is just right click here, copy and paste on all the relevant cells. Why we have pasted? Because we have measured all these items with the same scale, so no need to write one by one, just copy and paste here. Qualification is also nominal scale, and this one is scale, because this one workplace environment, all the items of workplace environment from starting from WE1 to WE5 are measured with scale. So just copy this one, same, right click here, copy and paste here. Okay, so now we have entered the details of the variables according to the survey questionnaire. Now let's enter data. For entering data, we have to go into data view. So this is data view. This is respondent number 1. This respondent is male, so we have to, under the column of gender, just type 1, because respondent is male and we have labeled it as, we have like 1 for male and 2 for female. Okay, for age, 35 years age and 7 years of experience, just type 35 and 7 years of experience, because we didn't divide age of the respondent into different groups or classes, and age as well as experience both. So we are going to take age and experience the way both were reported by the respondents. For qualification, we have divided into groups, and according to this respondent, he has responded his qualification. He has his qualification is master. Just type 4 here. And about the workplace items, he has reported 45434, 45434, 45434. So the data of the respondent number 1 has been entered successfully. Let's enter the data of respondent number 2. This is respondent number 1. This is respondent number 2. So this respondent is female. So we have to enter 2, because 2 was used for female. For age, she is 45 years old and 19 years of experience. 45, 19, and then she has ticked 34432, 34444, 32, 34432. Sorry, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. Let's recheck with qualification, because we did mistake. Qualification is 3 undergrad. Okay, now it's fine. So now we have successfully entered the data. First we have entered variable, and then we have entered the data according to these variables. If you have any query, you are most welcome to write to me. Thank you very much for watching the video.